Welcome to this second lecture of week 1, which focuses on the following aspect of public financial management. Approaches to the study of public financial management and contemporary developments in public financial management. Various approaches and theories with regard to the phenomenon of government fiscal affairs developed during the 20th century. Prior to this, Keynesian economics doctrine, with its macro-analytic focus on government action on the private sector, prevailed as the dominant theoretical consideration by which government fiscal affairs were explained. Expansion of government fiscal functions, especially after the First World War, sparked an increased interest in government spending operations. Since government spending was epitomized in its budget, it seemed quite natural that the budget itself would become the focus of interest and research. If financial management implies the management of the operations of a business to the extent where certain planned objectives are attained after a period of time, this cannot be achieved without the use of a budget. Financial management ceases to exist without a budget. If public financial management is viewed as being the process wherein a governmental unit first employs the means to obtain and allocate resources and or money based on implied or articulated priorities. Secondly, it utilizes methods and controls to effectively achieve publicly determined ends. Budgeting provides the necessary framework for financial management. Various developments have occurred which can be regarded as a major policy shift in the manner in which government exercise their functions. In some countries, this change has given rise to the transformation of the whole public sector. New Zealand represents a typical case, specifically with regard to their financial management system. Such changes are also found in countries such as Australia, Canada, and the United States. South Africa followed in the early 90s when research and investigations were undertaken to study foreign developments in the principles and practices of financial management, and indeed elements of the South African financial management dispensation such as the MTF are similar to a model introduced by the World Bank. Today's financial management systems are better equipped to deal with the realities of resource constraints in particular. The following question can assist you to reflect on the topic that was covered this week. To what extent did the South African financial management system help the country deal with the 2008 global economic meltdown?